Workflow of drywall profile machine. Deck oiler. Main roll forming machine. Hydraulic fly punching and shearing station. How does a drywall stud and track machine work? The drywall profile machine uses a series of rollers to form and cut metal coils into the required profile shape. The drywall stud and track machine can manufacture different profiles of different sizes, including U-track and C-stud. The manufacturing process of these profiles is to feed a continuous metal coil into the machine, which is then formed and cut by rollers. The process is automated, and the drywall profile machine can produce profiles at high speed. Advantages of drywall stud and track machine. Highly flexible drywall profile machine. King-reel drywall stud and track machine can produce two types of finished products, U-track and C-stud, by adjusting the rollers of the roll forming machine. This dual function not only improves production efficiency, but also allows customers to flexibly adjust the drywall profile machine according to the needs of different construction projects. High-speed drywall profile machine. King-reel drywall stud and track machine can achieve a maximum production speed of 120 meters per minute, which is far higher than the efficiency of traditional manual profile making. Multi-specification drywall profile machine. In order to meet the needs of different projects, King-reel drywall stud and track machine has the ability to produce in multiple specifications. By simply adjusting the width of the required finished product on the control panel, the roller of the roll forming machine will automatically expand to the corresponding width for production. This design not only improves the flexibility of production, but also allows customers to respond quickly when faced with different specifications. For example, in some projects, customers may need wider drywall profiles to carry greater loads, while in other cases narrower drywall profiles are required to save materials and costs. This multi-specification adaptability allows customers to flexibly choose in different projects, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall economic benefits. In addition, the automatic adjustment function of the drywall profile machine also greatly reduces the debugging time, making the production process smoother. Highly automated drywall profile machine. King-reel drywall stud and track machine can be equipped with an automatic packaging unit to complete the full process automation from production to packaging. After the drywall profile is produced, the finished product will be automatically transported to the packaging machine for bundling and stacking. This automated design not only improves production efficiency, but also ensures the safety of the finished product during transportation. The introduction of the automatic packaging unit eliminates the heavy manual packaging work, and the staff can devote more energy to other more important tasks. At the same time, the automation system can ensure that each batch of products is packaged according to uniform standards, reducing the risk of errors that may be caused by manual operation. Potential applications of drywall profile machine. Drywall stud and track machines have a variety of potential applications in the construction industry. Some of these applications include residential construction, commercial construction, renovation, Industrial construction.